feeling lonely. When someone is experiencing feelings of loneliness, having a companion can provide emotional support, a sense of connection, and alleviate the sense of isolation. Going through challenging times. During difficult periods, such as illness, loss of a loved one, or facing significant life changes, having a companion can offer comfort, understanding, and a support system to navigate through those challenges. Needing emotional support. Companions can offer a listening ear, empathy, and emotional understanding during times when someone is feeling overwhelmed, stressed, or in need of someone to confide in. It's important to remember that the need for companionship can vary from person to person. Some individuals may have a higher need for social interaction and companionship, while others may have a preference for solitude.